Okay, so today we are going to review for the test. I would suggest that you print the test review and follow along with me. So the first problem, we have a committee of 10 women, 4 men. They want to select a chief delegate, a backup delegate, and a secretary. So we can see that order is relevant. So yes. Are there any restrictions? No. Anyone can be on the committee. So no. So from n is equal to 10 plus 4, 14. We are going to select r equals 3 in 14 P3. So use your calculator and get 2,184. Or we are filling positions. So we have 3 positions to fill, and any of the 10 and 4, 14 could be there, and 13 and 12. So the multiplication rule, multiply those 3 numbers and you should get the same answer. Part B. Again, 10 women, 4 men. Now all we're going to do, we'll select a team of 3. So we're not filling positions, so order is not relevant. And there are no restrictions. Anyone can be among the 3. So from n equals 14, select r equals 3 in 14C3. Use your calculator, and that will give you 364. Remember, you can pause the video while you're taking notes. Again, committee of 10 women, 4 men. We are going to select 3, and all of them must be male. So we have restrictions. We are not filling positions, so order is not relevant, but we do have restrictions. Now you will only select from the males. So from n equals 4, select r equals 3 for C3, 4 base. To keep the video short, I'm going to keep going. You can pause, take notes. Find the odds. Suppose the probability is 3/10. Now, we can rewrite that as 3 of those 10 things in the sample space, 3 are favorable, and the other 7 are not. So we're going to write this as 3 plus 7. So your odds will be 3 to 7. Suppose now you're given the odds as 2 to 7. Like I did before, add these two. So here you're going to have 2 plus 7, and 2 are favorable. So the probability will be 2/9. All right, number 3. So we have a box that has 4 green and 3 blue balls. We're going to select 2 without replacement. So let us make a tree diagram. There are only 2 colors, green and blue. There are 4 green and 3 blue. So because we're selecting a second ball, let us call this the first ball. And our probability will be 4 out of 7 and 3 out of 7. Remember, that sum has to be 1. For the second ball, again you're going to have two colors. But now we're going to use a subscript of 2 for the second ball. But you're not replacing that first ball. So if you started off with 4 green, you only have 3 green remaining, and you still have 3 blue. So there are 6 balls, 3 out of 6, 3 out of 6. That's 1/2 plus 1/2, that's 1. If the first ball is blue, the second is going to be green or blue. But we're not replacing that first blue ball, and we're starting with 3. So only 2 will remain, and you still have 4 green. There are 6 balls, 4 out of 6, 2 out of 6. What is the probability that both balls are blue? First ball is blue, second is blue. Remember, this is AND. So your answer is going to be 3/7 times 2/6, which can be simplified. First you'll get 6 over 42, or you could cancel. You'll get 1 over 7. So that's your answer. Number 4, we have a pair of dice is rolled. Find the probability that the sum is 5, 6, or 7. You could make that table. 2, 3, 4, 5. We want that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the frequencies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 3 that we want. So your probability, add these 3 numbers. 4 plus 5 plus 6. There are 2 dice. Remember, if you add up all of these, you're going to get 36. So that's 15 out of 36, or 5 out of 6. Now there's a second page in the review. I'm not going to put that in the video, but I will put the solutions on D12.